Hey guys, so today I have got Medusa's makeup for November to show you. Now, as far as I'm aware, I think the November and December boxes are kind of like a holiday, like Christmas party kind of theme, if I remember correctly. So I'm assuming that this is going to be maybe golds and a lot of sparkle, but we'll have to have a look. I've not opened this yet. I've opened the little seal on the bottom, but I've not looked what's inside, so I'm seeing it for the first time, the same as you guys. For anyone that's not seen me open this before, it works out about £20 to the UK, and in America I think it's about $16, something like that, which is super cheap. They do post everywhere, but obviously it's different prices everywhere, so you'd probably have to go have a look, but generally it is quite a cheap box. So I do like getting Medusa's makeup. Sometimes they're a little empty, sometimes they have loads of stuff in, but it's always kind of fun wearable stuff. Okay, so the first thing on the top is the little card that tells you what's inside it. Like I said, this card does say Holiday Glam Series Part 1, so obviously December is Part 2, and this is a $49.95 value, so a lot more than you pay for it. Yeah, and on the back it says Part 2 coming next month, so that is cool. So the first thing we have in here is this, which is Hippy Dippy Facial Serum Uplifting by Lovebird. So as far as I'm aware, Lovebird is kind of like their skincare stuff that they sell in Medusa's makeup, or send in Medusa's makeup. It says it's got sweet almond oil, frankincense and myrrh essential oils in it, which sounds a little strange for something you put on your face. It's also got a rollerball, which I was definitely not expecting. So I'll put a bit of this on my hand. Wow, okay. It's super oily. I'm not sure how I feel about it, purely because one, as you can see, it's a very greasy oil, and two, it's super scented. I love the scent of it. If this was a perfume, I would 100% buy it. It smells amazing, but putting oil and really scented stuff on my face just seems like a really bad idea to me. I have the spottiest, most sensitive skin ever, so will I use this on my face? Probably not, but it smells incredible, so I might use it as a perfume. Is that weird? I don't know. I wonder how long it lasts. I'm gonna wait till the end of the video and see if this still smells good, but that is the first thing that we have anyway. Next we have this, which is a little jar with a rose on it, and this is a lip and cheek stain, apparently. So, oh, okay. Oh, I just stuck my finger in it without even showing you guys. It looks like, oh, my nail's going in it too. Looks like a lip balm. Again, quite oily. Not sure how that would be a lip stain and a cheek stain. It doesn't really have a colour to it. Let me scoop a bit out with my nail. I mean, I've put a blob on there, but when you rub it in, it just kind of goes to nothing. It's just really oily. I definitely wouldn't be putting that on my cheek. As a lip balm, oh, it smells amazing too. It smells of strawberry. So as a lip balm, that would probably be really nice, but for a cheek stain, I'm not sure how I feel about that. There's literally like no colour. You just have an oily cheek, so there is that anyway. Not sure how I feel about this box so far, purely because the stuff that it's kind of saying it does is not what it's doing. The facial oil smells amazing, and this would be an amazing lip balm, but it's definitely not a cheek stain, and I definitely won't be putting the oil on my face, so I don't know. Anyway, the next thing we have is a little eye dust from them. These kind of stack up, they screw together for anyone that's interested, and this is in the colour Frosting, which I'm going to assume is like a shimmery baby pink, possibly. But I'm going to open it and have a see. And peel the sticker off, as always. It takes 7 years. Okay, so I do have a really oily hand, so it's probably going to stick to this a bit too well, but I'm just going to put it on there anyway. So I've got a little sprinkle there. Oh, okay. I'm going to just wipe my hand because the oil's not helping. I thought it might help it stick, but it's definitely not. So let's just wipe my hand a bit and try that again. Okay. So that is the amount I'm putting on. That's better. Oh, it is super pretty and super sparkly. Definitely the kind of colour I assumed it would be. Just a really sheer kind of pinky bluey purple shimmer. It's kind of like a pink with blue reflex in it and some chunkier glitters as well, but it's very pretty though. And then the last item we've got, which is usually one of my favourite items from them, is the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. This is in the colour Night Fever, if you can even see that. I've had one of these before and it was a lot lighter colour than this, and I absolutely loved it. I used absolutely all of it until it was fully empty. So no doubt I will definitely use this one, but it is quite a dark bronzy sort of colour, so I'm not sure if that is going to come out that colour or if it's going to be quite sheer. Oh, the little plastic thing's coming out. Let's push that down. Okay, it is quite bronze, honestly, but these smell incredible. They smell like vanilla cake and I absolutely love it. This is what it's coming out as on my hand, like a very, very golden colour, although it doesn't look that gold in person. Honestly, it's showing up a lot brighter on camera. I might put a bit over this purple. Is that weird? Let's see kind of what happens. Oh no, I feel like this is going to be so bronze. Oh, okay. I mean, it isn't coming out super bronze. It's just kind of giving a sparkle. Kind of like it. Okay. I'm a fan. Oh my god. It smells and tastes absolutely amazing. I love these. So yeah, that was everything that was in Medusa's makeup for November. I will put the lid back on this before I spill it everywhere and show you the 4 things we got again. So there was the facial oil, which still smells amazing. There was the lip and cheek tint, which is more like lip balm. There was the frosting eye dust, and there was the lip gloss. So not the best box I've ever done, definitely not, but will I use these? Yeah, probably. Apart from this, I'm not sure how I feel about this. But yeah, like I said, it's a super cheap box, especially if you're in America. This is really, really cheap. So if you love makeup, then you could always just get it for a few months to kind of add some extra bits to your collection. But I will put the info for them down below anyway, and I also have a discount code for, I think it's your first box, so I'll put that down below too, and I'll put it here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.